It has reached that point where more than 50% of the Arctic Sea is now exposed to the summer sun, and the net result is that that region of the planet is now heating up at more than 2 times the rate of the rest of the planet. And this hotspot in the middle of the Arctic zone impacts on the weather systems around the Northern Hemisphere. But I think more importantly, around this Arctic Sea, the temperature increase means that Greenland's ice is also being lost, and much more quickly than we had anticipated. And the big danger with that, of course, is the ice on Greenland is going to enter the ocean and push up the sea level. If all of it melts, the sea levels will rise by 7 meters. 1 or 2 meters sea level rise would mean that virtually every ocean-based cities on coastlines around the world, which is roughly 80% of the world's cities, would no longer be livable.